White cars look clean, stylish, and never go out of fashion. But to keep them shiny and bright, you need to take good care of them. There are many easy ways to wash, protect, and look after your white car so it stays looking great for a long time. Washing your white car at least once a week is important to keep it clean and shiny. White paint shows dirt, dust, and stains more easily, so regular cleaning helps maintain its bright look. Frequent washing also removes harmful substances like bird droppings and road salt that can damage the paint. Using 2 buckets when washing a car helps protect the paint from scratches. One bucket holds soapy water for cleaning, while the other contains clean water for rinsing your sponge or mitt. This prevents dirt and grit from being reapplied to the car's surface. As a result, your car stays cleaner and the paint remains in better condition. Autobrite Direct Magifoam is a thick, high-quality snow foam that helps safely lift dirt and grime from your car's surface. It's perfect for white cars, as it gently cleans without scratching the paint. The foam clings well, allowing deep cleaning before hand washing. Regular use helps maintain a bright, spotless finish on your white car. You can also use Megia's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner to clean the wheels of your white car, which helps enhance its overall beauty. This powerful cleaner removes brake dust, dirt, and road grime effectively. It's safe for all wheel types and changes color to show it's working. Clean wheels make your white car look even more polished and well-maintained. Drying your car with a clean, soft microfiber towel helps prevent water spots and streaks. Letting it air dry, especially under the sun, can leave mineral deposits on the surface. Using a towel ensures a spotless, polished finish. Waxing your white car every 6 to 8 weeks creates a protective barrier that helps repel dirt, grime, and environmental contaminants. Using a high-quality product like Megia's 3-in-1 wax provides cleaning, polishing, and protective benefits in one step. It also enhances the car's shine, keeping the paint looking bright and clean. Regular waxing helps maintain your car's appearance and extends the life of the paint. A clean interior is essential to keep your white car looking its best overall. Regularly vacuuming carpets and wiping down surfaces removes dust and debris that can build up over time. Using a product like Megia's Ultimate Interior Detailer helps maintain a fresh, polished look inside the car. It also protects interior surfaces from fading, cracking, and everyday wear. Keeping a white car clean takes a bit of work, but it's worth it. A well-maintained white car stays shiny, fresh, and great looking all year round.